On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. Happy hump day. Happy FOMC. It's in the game. Gang. Sometimes I'm like, what do I say to these people? Good morning, everybody. Happy hump day. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful morning. It is Wednesday. It is FOMC day. And let's make some bloody money, mate. What is going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful, beautiful... I mean, I gave you guys the long from the tips, man. I gave you the long from the tippy bottom yesterday. You couldn't have gotten any lower on Solana. What was it? What was our entry? 35? 72? 30? Oh, my God. My God. Discord had been printing too. We got the retest in here for the pullback. Continuation up. Then we had the sell wall up here. And the buy wall down here. Check it out now. My funk. I can't control Z this thing. My funk soul, brother. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Now we all of a sudden grew some legs over Asia. Asia just, took the blue pill and off we went. And here we are hanging out. What's going on, everybody? How we all doing? Let's jump into the chat. FOMC day. Good fun, man. Good fun. Eating chip butties, mate. You're still eating chip butties, mate. Oh, and having some beans on toast with a crisp sandwich, are you there, mate? I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, it pays to have a British wife. I can connect with my community. What's going on? Cena, BTC, McCall, TRE, Chantel, good morning. Good to see you. Prove that it's a good morning. I mean, we're breathing. I moved that pink box so the price could go up for you yesterday, Dusty. I don't know. What else do you want from me, man? I gave you clear buy level. I don't think it gets any more clear. It says buy on it. Oh, Tool, Trezor, Terry, good morning. Shriann, thank you for always being here. Alexandra G. Shriann Pandy, how you doing, man? Gang. Let's see. Army Piper, he has got a news a news/data boner for today. This is his day of choice, I would guess. There's the slurping in the microphone. Good morning. Thank you for being here. If I'm breathing too heavy, too bad. Gates to profit, Marine Mike. I mean, if you want to get the Solana low on a scalp long yesterday, then you got to put up with my mouth breathing. That's just how it goes. Marine Mike Lotus style crypto Rog from Dubai. He was our Thai warrior. Now he's our Dubai warrior. At least it rhymes, right? Pretty cool. Keen Bean. MP Trading. Marine Mike, safe travels for you and the family. Thank you. I will be flying today. I will not be live tomorrow. I will not be live Friday. And I will be back on Monday. Hopefully. If you guys behave yourselves. I might just hang out in the Discord from now on. I think that's kind of going to be my new transition. You know, I'm transitioning from Lord Otter to King Beaver. Identify as profitable. And we'll transition to Discord only streaming. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Come on, take a couple trades. See you later. But we're not there yet. Solio, what's going on? Josh Parr, Django, gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Kevin, how you doing? Alexandra G says, smash those damn likes or she'll slap you with her noodle. Good morning, Fred. Enjoy the last day of the week today and have a nice break with the family. Yeah. These are the people I like, man. Yeah, I'm going to go and hang out with my grandfather. I'm going to go play golf with one of my best friends. Yeah, bittersweet. It's a bittersweet time to go for a flight. I'll tell you that. I'm going to go say hi to my moms. Go and say hi to my beautiful, beautiful mother. And hang out with her. She's awesome. I miss my moms. I wish she was out here where I live. But she retires in a couple years. So we'll get her out here eventually. What's going on, my mates? Good to see you. Curtis Hill, son of the king. Let's go, triple. How you guys doing? Time for change. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien? Made 4,200 yesterday. Let's go, Solio. Did you on that Solana long? I mean, whew, my goodness. Mob the Great, good afternoon. Good to see you, bro. How you been? Curtis Hill, hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're on the up and up. Feeling better, hopefully. God bless you. You've been in my prayers, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Bagat, Jabron, Miller. I'm going to call you Iller. He's Iller. He's Illmatic. Okay, I won't go there. I was about to, break it down for you. Laurent, what's going on? Good to see you. Brian. How you doing, Brian? David Stacy, good morning. JR Prince in the chat. What's going on, man? How you doing? Oh, man, French Toaster. I didn't know you moved to India, bro. How you doing? Do they even have roller skates there, or do they have, roller rocks or something? I'm too far already, man. Am I allowed to treat this like a Friday stream? Does this justifiably act as a Friday stream? Do I get to bend the line like Beckham? Bend it like Beckham. 90s kids, man. Oh, Crypto Signal, how you doing, man? Isaac, Wick, Lava Man, Sunny, how you guys doing? Good to see you, man. Bonjour, otters. Bonjour. What the hell's otters in French? Otter. In French. Loutre. Loutre.
Loutre.
Loutre.
Loutre.
Bonjour les loutres. Loutre gang. That's so gay. We're not going there. All right. Oh, man. Good morning, Wick. 589, my man. The FOM Master of Ceremonies. Yeah. I mean, I ain't trading it. I know it's, sometimes I would. I think, I don't know if it was FOMC, but I made 12K in 7 seconds or something stupid on one of these news events. That was last year. Absolute degeneracy. But, sometimes you get the direction correct and you get paid and you can retire your bloodline, or you can blow your account. So you roll the dice, whatever you want to do today, guys. Josh Ross, how you doing, man? He's eating chip butties. You got to say it. You can't pronounce the T, right? Because you drank it all. Chip butties. JR Prince, French Toaster, Crypto Poker, my man. How you doing? E-Row Morning Gang, Florida Stowe. Decent Crypto. How you doing, man? At least you're decent, not half decent, right? Chris, good to see you, man. Jay Becker, good morning. Droid. I mean, that name just gets me every time, Hemdroid. Do not read it, Hemdroid. I promise you that. Crypto Hefe, good to see you. G1 Everhart, good morning. BTC word to Big Bird. Just back from golf. Let's go. How'd you shoot? 101? 101's a good score. Bogey golf. Bogey golf is great golf, man. I want to. So, like, me and my friend are we're very competitive. And we're pretty much, we haven't played golf in like a year. And like, we used to play every weekend, like golf buddies for life. And I moved, unfortunately, so we don't play golf every weekend. So we've booked the most expensive fucking joint in all of the area where I'm going. And I'm going to whoop his ass, man. I may come back with back pain, but I'm not going down in defeat, okay? That's one thing about me. I'm pretty competitive. Less in my older age. 36. He's a dinosaur. But hey, if we're gonna, you know, there's nothing worse than my 5'4" ass beating you in a game of basketball. It's like, if there's something I will embarrass you in, it's basketball. But we'll see. It's gonna be fun, man. The banter's the best part, right? Like, I mean, how many times are you gonna hit it in the woods and I'm gonna, you know, take the piss? You're officially a lifetime resident of the UAE, Crypto Rob. Let's go, man. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. GG's. I hope it remains safe. I think it will remain safe, but I hope it remains safe. What's going on, Ramen? Good to see you. Everhart. I mean, I would love to move to a tax haven, but I mean, my family's here. Canada, whatever. I love you, Canada. What's going on, Philly Skills? Wagwan. You're coming to Toronto this weekend. You're gonna come swing by. You're gonna buy me some Memphis Grill or what? You're gonna meet me Dufferin Egg, buy me a beef patty, right? What's good? Cocoa bread? No? You seen? All right. Sharon, what's going on? I should be buying you you've been here long enough. I should be buying you the goods. Tony Soprano, how you doing, bro? My God, you've been here way too long, Tony. I like shorts here. NASDAQ flat rolling over. SPY flat. Are we going to trade today? Yeah, of course we are. We got to pay for my flight today. Rotation down. Imbalance down below. Trying to come into here. I'm ready to trade, man. I just want confirmation right now. We got nice bear divs in here. We might need to come back into here first. We may need to do one of these, but I like shorts here into VWAP. We are going to remain patient. I was able to short the double top last night here. Bloop. That was nice. That was a nice little ching, like $500 last night, and then went to bed. We were able to long here. Boop. We were able to long here. Boop. I mean, I think I did $1,800 yesterday. Nice day. Taking the trade, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. That's how we roll. That is how we roll. NASDAQ rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Put a 3 in the chat if you're sitting on your hands. Who's ready for some volatility? I mean, it's been good. So, it's been good. Atreyu, good to see you. Dangers, Cena, good morning. Laurent, I'm allowed to misbehave today. Okay, watch the fuck out. No trades for me today. Last time I got smoked, yeah. I won't be trading. I will be flying. That's kind of where I'm at. So, don't trade and fly. Lord Luthra, King Castor. King castrated. Look at that. Coming in for the low right now. Hey, short. What a day to come back to FOMC. Brutal day. Yeah, I would. If it's your first day back, dynamite. I would get some popcorn. Right. Sit on your wanking chariot and just watch it. Good to see Dave Digital's in the chat, man. Cubanadian. Good morning. God bless. How you doing? Wayne Rossi. You still haven't told me. Is it Rossi or is it Rossi? Or is it like Rossi? I don't know, man. What's going on, man? You've been absolutely annihilating the trades in the Discord, man. Can you stop showing off? Nah, don't stop showing off, man. You're like my biggest flex on the Discord lately. I mean, he's just taking the trades. Thanks, Alex. Level's been fire again. $2,500. Didn't you do like a 5 again? Let's go. 6,300. I mean, Discord is. He's even got the Trojan horse, guys. He's got like this big ass horse with. He's got a gold-plated Trojan horse. Andy, mind mates, let's go, man. You guys crushing in the Discord. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it, man. FOMC up to 67, then down to 61. What? That's a bit much. I don't think we do that. What up? Good to see you, Wick. Brian, how you doing? You explain that chip butties means French fries butties, but not potato crisps. Potato crisps in U.S. Yeah. I can't explain it to them, man. They got to experience it, right? If you haven't had a chip butty, you haven't lived, man. You haven't lived. Get to the UK, get some of that. Go to the chip shop, get yourself a nice fish and chips with some curry sauce, okay? Then get yourself a chip butty on the side, right? Maybe a little ice lolly to cap it off. Oh, man. Too much fun. Crypto changed me. Good morning. Good to see you, Tool. Good morning. God bless you. Thank you guys for smashing the like buttons. I see 240 people already on here. And only 60 likes. So you guys can do a little bit better than that. Come on, man. I gave you the low yesterday. Atreyu. Hemorrhoid. What do we got? Short. Hands. Shorts. Hands. Lots of hands in here. Good job, guys. You guys are all handyman, except for Chantal. She's a handy lady. Good to see you guys in here. Thank you for being here. Whatever you're down for, guy, I'll be out and about. Let's go. Let's go to P Mall. No, let's go to Bass Pro and Vaughan Mills. Let's go and jump on a roller coaster in Wonderland and then buy a shotgun or something. I don't know. It's always fun. You have your hunting license, Philly Skills? You better get one. Anyways, good fun. 4 for hedge. Let's go. Django, how you doing, man? God bless you. Thank you for being here, Cena. Still scared from the toe talk yesterday, man. Watch out. Oh, man. How much does it usually go down on days? Like 2K? Nah, man. You get like a Darth Maul candle like this. So whatever this is, you get like $1,000 move, if anything. But you can make a lot of money if you're prepared. We'll do top-down analysis. We're ready. Are you guys ready? Equal lows. Rotation. Failed to hold. Continuation down. Retest to previous lows. Got all this in here to come and grab. Django's ready. Django, you got some funky shit on your chart, man. What is this green bar thing you got going on. Is that your buy level? Trend indicator or something like that? I don't know what's going on with your chart. Whatever works, man. If you're making money, you can have pink unicorns on your chart. Doesn't matter to me. Solana's getting its ass whooped. Yeah. Down we go. Key support. Coming into here. Retest the previous highs. Trying to hold on. Continuation down. Whew. I mean, short level giving an advance to the Discord. I mean, ching, right? I mean, levels just be good. Be good. Good to see you. Made your coffee, Alex. Here we go. Good to see you, man. Fug. Give me the VWAP slap. VWAP's a little high right now, in my opinion, Tony. Might need to. I would like to see it like lower and then reclaim and then go. That would be ideal. Something like that. But VWAP slap works if we get the good reaction here. Right now, this is nasty, rolling over, trying to hold this low. It's defending the low. Can it hold? Yeah. We'll see. 12-minute rolling over. I mean, what a buy level yesterday, Discord, man. You had so many chances to buy this thing. You also had a short level in here, so we actually defined the range for you yesterday. Bum, 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 bum. Very simple trading. A number 1 on the way out. So, looking good so far. Trying to push out. Where are we at? Where are we looking for? Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream, supporting the channel, all that good stuff. You guys are top-notch Otter Gang members. Thank you for being here. The only gang where you don't have to do anything bad. You just have to come in here and say good morning. I'm in a good mood today. Going to see the family. Jumping on a plane. FOMC day. And, forcefully being made to not trade FOMC, which is a good thing. Today's the day where you probably should just go and touch some grass and some ass and whatever you're into, right? This is danger zone, right? So when we're looking at this, what are we looking for? How are we looking to get there? What's the narrative? Really, Bitcoin has found some lows. We are still in this downtrending channel here. So we were in an uptrend. We were in an uptrending channel. Now we're in a downtrending channel. And it's welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See the plug there? That's creative. So coming up to resistance, as we can see, trying to hold on to this range. Okay, if we're defining a range in here, it's pretty simple. Let's look at it. Right, I can see deviations above the range, but really our range is like this, guys. This would be our range. If we're looking at where volume is mostly traded in this area, we're flipping support right now. So this is very good. You can see this right here. Trying to hold on to 64,000. Okay, point of control, tap. Look at that. Look at where we bounced yesterday. Big ass volume nipple, right? So we're trying to flip this to support. As you can see, we held down in here. So we came down, we held on this guy, and then we pushed out, and now we're trying to hold on this guy. So it's the same here. We're trying to hold on this guy. Can we hold the point of control and rotate up to the value area high? Or are we going to fail and rotate down below and come down for all this liquidity here or this liquidity here? We're very much stuck in the middle. Okay, this is why scalping is fun, because we can still make lots of money in here. Swing trading in this area, a little bit risky. You should have been catching that low with us yesterday on the live stream. So welcome, everybody who's new. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Taking a little break to go visit family if you are new here this week. So I will be off on the road today, flying. So good time. So can we get going? Nice low, good liquidity sweep. Not taking the low out of here. However, coming back to a clear imbalance in the chart where we would be looking for price action to return to. So what do we want to see? We want to see constructive price action in here, which means higher highs, higher lows, holding and continuing out, trying to get above this high and rotate up into the liquidity above here. Can it get going? Well, we had a nice push out yesterday from Asia into FOMC. What do we expect today? We expect the price to wreck both sides of the chart. Okay. It's always important to understand with FOMC, they are going to set you up into an area where they're looking to wreck the liquidity on both sides of the chart and send it wherever they want to. This is an opportunity for the market makers and the manipulators to take advantage of price action. Okay. So if you are in a trade going into FOMC, I highly suggest you protect yourself. Okay. Protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Boom. All right. Very important. Do not overtrade today. Today is a day for preservation of capital. If you fail to do so, it will take it from you. It's the only job where you can show up every day and lose money. So please do yourself a favor. Be safe today, right? Tesla looking like it's down pre-market. SPY in a very critical support level, trying to hold on to this green line for dear life. Okay, NASDAQ consolidation, range bound. The tech trade is not looking too hot. Okay, we got war, we got oil pumping, we got no Clarity Act. These Clarity Act people are so annoying on Twitter, man. It's going up, it's going down. Look, oil's pumping right now. What does that mean? Danger zone, man. This is danger zone, guys. Especially if we got up into this 90 area and hold. So watching that big old gap right here. Probably coming back here to revisit old friend 86. So we'll see about that. Overall, market cipher a little bit overextended on our lower term hourly time frames, our 1 and our 2 hour. The 4 hour here is still looking like it could push. However, there's a trigger wave forming for a potential dump. So we got mixed bag coming into FOMC. Great. Right? Where's it going to go then? Right, Alex? Oh, well, if this, then that, right? Prepared trader is a profitable trader. So the 12-hour looks juicy. Confirmed green dots. The daily looks like it could push back, but I'm looking more into Friday, Saturday, okay? If it's going to trigger here. Money flow crossover, trigger wave. This looks good, okay? However, it does say end of week. It doesn't say today, but you never know. Okay, so downtrending momentum here, trying to hold on. The big issue with, in my opinion right now, is how much liquidity there is in here still. Okay, we've come down, but you go swing low to swing high, you check your fibs, you see, hey, fib, what's going on, fibby? And you haven't retraced to your golden pocket. Now, am I married to that? No, if we start making higher highs and higher lows here, I will trade this up into the imbalance above us right in here. Imbalance, target acquired, okay? However, if we fail here, remember, we're in the middle of the range. We're coming here or here. It's very simple. If this, then that, right? Accumulation. I don't care if you're a Wyckoff guy, but this would look to dump and then spring and then go. That would be your why coffee? Why coffee? Because it has caffeine and it makes me feel great. All right. That's right. All right. So if this, then that. Have a plan, trade the plan, execute with good risk management. Your job is to only take high probability trade setups, have a playbook, and whoop some ass. Coming into VWAP SFP right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. There's your kind of update. I ain't going to give you all the sauce. That's for the Discord. If you are new here and you are learning, thank you for being here. Welcome. Join the Discord. The best Discord in all of crypto. And if you don't want to join the Discord, that's cool. You can come here and enjoy the delay and have lots of fun. Love having you here, and God bless you. Trump just tweeted Iran will be hit hard by the U.S. Well, what else is new, right? What's going on, crypto? Billy, my man. CB's in the chat from my man. Myth and legend. Crypto Billy, God bless you, man. I owe you a phone call. I'm going to visit Nono today. I'm flying out, man. He's not doing so hot, Billy. So, family first, and gonna go spend 4 or 5 days there and hang out with them and love them as much as I can. That's it. It's bittersweet right now. How do you draw the channel? You go to www.youtube.com/AlexOCrypto, and that's how you get to the channel. No, I'm kidding. It's a regression trend tool. Right here, you go into your trend tools. You go into regression trend. Okay? And then you go from the high to the low, and it'll draw it for you so you can be lazy as ever. Right? You can also use the other trend tool. Where is it? There it is. And you can draw it manually. Use your control button, magnet. Oh, you want to go from high to high, and then you want to pull it down or up. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Right? You got options, man. Or you can do a trend line. You know, you do a couple trend lines and draw channels as well. But regression trend tool is, it just doesn't make you guess. It just draws it, and you know, I'm not going to trade based off of a stupid trend line, okay? Unless it's my trend line. But I need to understand where the channel is, right? So this is going to just clearly define it for me, and I can look to trade within it. If I want to be more accurate, I use my own trend lines. Okay. Double bottom here, trying to push back. I like how low the 12 is. Trying to push back here. Trapping shorts. Still waiting, no trade here, guys. Thank you for being here. Supporting the channel. What do I think of Solana? Solana looks like crap, man. It's underperforming Bitcoin right now. It's trying to find lows. I mean, ETH is still looking okay. But Solana looks terrible, man. It's getting its ass whooped. Yeah, I'm looking for Solana to go to 72. 72 to 71. That is my potential kill zone. I'll probably be on the plane when it goes there. You know? That's okay. We're prepared. What's going on, Florida Stowe? Crypto Billy. Curtis Hill. Be spending the morning with my dad. So glad for the relationship. I understand how happy you can be spending time with family. That's it, man. Family is everything, man. Friends come and go. Family is forever. It's going to be a fun day, Rosie. Yeah. Absolutely. Toaster, good to see you. Thank you, Florida. I'll have my laptop. I got my full trading setup, travel setup. I'll still be updating the Discord constantly. I can't help myself. You know that, guys. That's the way. Keep me updated, bro. Of course, Billy. Donka, Mr. Alex, your strat been helping the VWAP indicator. VWAP's S tier, man. Discord is awesome. 2 days of video education. Yeah, it's a lot, man. There's nonstop videos, man. Like, there's got to be like 200 now. At least 200. Good to see you, Crypto Jacker. Hey, Lou boy. Good morning. Good to see you. How you doing? It's protecting this low pretty hard here. Oil looks like shite. Am I allowed to say shite, Billy? I feel like I have to watch my language when you're around. I've heard you swear, though. Oh, I love you, bro. What's the deal with fantasy football this year? We gonna play some fantasy football? I had lots of fun. Me and CryptoFace had a group last time. But I'm down to lose. You can take my money. I just want to talk smack and play fantasy football. I'd be glad to participate. What's the minimum US dollars for starting trading Bitcoin? I mean, you can start with anything. I would start with at least $100, but I mean, you can paper trade and save. I would paper trade first and save some money that you're willing to lose. Paper trade first. Then you can get into props. If you wanted to do prop firms, you could, but I would steer away from that. I think the rules and the payouts and all that, it just gets into being a headache. So it's paper trade, props, and then you're funding your own account, right? And then in general, you would want to at least have like $100. You want to trade so you care. I mean, it's different for everybody. If you're living in like not a big country or third world or anything like that, that's a lot of money, right? So do what you can, man. You can start anywhere, right? The important thing is that you start. Okay? You gotta be cringe, man. Ask Ask Tony Soprano how fun it was to watch an AlexOCrypto stream when I first started. Holy shit, man. Woo! But I was being accountable and I'd show up every day, right? And that's it. I was looking at my like viewership the other day and I was like 20 views, 20 views, 20 views for like eons, it felt like. Then I had like a little spike. That's when like Crypto Face sponsored me. And then I was like 50 views, 50 views, 50 views, 50 views, 50 views. And then I started trading live because I had a proven strategy back tested and I figured that was the way to go. And then my channel just like, wee. But this is like 3 years of being shit. It's not like I was having fun, but I showed up every single damn day for 3 years. And I'm a little bit obsessive with my work, but a lot of people are like, "What did you do for your channel? How did it get to being 400 people here on the live stream hanging out?" I mean, I talk shit, I take trades, I be honest, I try to be kind and not a douchebag. I'm just showing you how I do it. That's it, man. But they don't see the grind. I don't think people see the grind in the background. A lot of people who've been here have, right? But there's obviously a little bit of luck involved. There has to be, right? But I was consistently shit for years. That's it. 3 drives up the lows here, trying to hold on. If we can get like a beautiful little sweep here, whoop, bloop. Oh my God, give it to me, baby. Rick James, show me your titties. Good times. We'll see. Discord is awesome. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Golden Child, good to see you, man. C-Town Baller, good morning. They make a lot of missiles and rockets in Arkansas. Cool, man. Good to see you, F. Trying to push out here. NASDAQ not holding. See, no liquidity sweeps on either side, so I can't justify a long here. We could look short if we come back into here. Just trying to scalp that thing. What do we got here? Yeah, 0.5%. We could take some money out of this if we wanted to. Solana, whew, gonna fall off a rock, man. Look at this. We have you up. Okay, makes sense. SPY expecting gap down now. Yeah, gap down for SPY to start the morning. Donald blowing things up as usual. And here we are. Thank you for being here, guys. Good fun. One minute, 2 minute. I'm doing a back-tested strategy on Solana on the 2 minute right now. Should always be back-testing things. I can't explain this one to you guys though because it's secret. That's why. It's for the Discord. I'm always working on backtesting. I was backtesting a strategy like a month ago and it wasn't worthy. It was not worthy of my win rate. Let's put it that way. It wasn't worth introducing to the gang. I'm backtesting at least 2 strategies constantly, and I rotate out as they underperform depending on the assets I trade. Obviously, I scalp Solana and Bitcoin. So I'm backtesting Solana and Bitcoin on the 3 minute time frame. But I think I need a little bit more candles on Solana for this new strategy, but so far it looks sexy. And the Discord will find out about that. It's like the orb strategy, the open range breakout strategy that I backtested that for 6 months, and then I introduced it to the family, and then it got very popular all of a sudden on YouTube. It was I learned it from Max Trading. He's a beautiful trader on futures. He trades futures. Love it. And then I back tested on Bitcoin. It works if you know what you're looking for. And yeah, it's always important to be trying to develop more of an edge. If you have an edge though, don't fucking change it. Keep it. Don't tell everybody about it. Okay? I show the Discord my edge. We're edging. This is getting out of hand, man. My brain's on one today. What's your next entry? You'll know. Not here. We're looking for SFP VWAP slap right now, or we're looking for retest of lows. Right? So we're looking for zoop, or we're looking for zoop. Okay? Depending on price action. Patience. NASDAQ trying to push back. Yes. Yes, trying to hold here or no? No, not really. I'm going to start paying for data or data. That's the question. Is it data or is it data? I think it's data. You can call me data. I'm going to start paying for data on the NASDAQ just because it's lagging and I'm tired of it. And it's for my business, so I should be paying for the data. Virtual and a buy level? Well, yeah, it is, baby. Alts look terrible right now. No trade. Coming down here, we'll see where we get to. I like where the 12 is for longs. 12 and the 24. Cooling off. VWAP resetting. 1 hour looks like shite, mate. And we've hit golden pocket here. Don't forget, golden pocket, swing high to swing low. Golden pocket retracement level. So we're definitely in an area of resistance. So we wait. We wait. Price action will tell us what we need to know. And we might just go sideways into FOMC today, guys. That's very, very probable. Right? What's going on, Darren? How you doing, bro? Darren's been here from day one. I don't know how. He's British. He's probably like, this guy's a wanker. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Data. He speaks the Queen's English, so we might as well respect it. NAS and CME data, only like $8 a month. Good to see you. Cup of tea. Brilliant, mate. Discord is great. Community active during all time zones and constantly updates from Alex. I've been a part of the Ghost Town Discords before. Everyone very helpful in this one. Shout out to Django. We love Django. He puts in the work, man. Orb rules. Simplest way to start trading on how to trade. Yeah. Because it's price action based, right, Django? You know. I've seen you do the orb forever. What's your back testing process? Oh man, that's a video in itself. I need to back test more. Yeah. The thing with back testing is I would say there's four major. I mean, there's like four within the four, but there's four major things that you need to back test in a bear market, low volatility, high volatility, and a bull market. Okay, if you don't test in those environments, the environment is going to switch and you're going to get fucking wrecked. Unapologetically swearing there. Okay? I know because I've gotten fucking wrecked for trading a strategy that I know, oh, this strategy doesn't work in bear market chop. Oh, this strategy doesn't work in high volatility moments. If I don't have that information, I'm going in blind. And you might as well just go and buy black at a friggin' roulette table, right? We're here to have a win rate. whether it's 55%, but we want to be able to beat the house, man, over time. That's it, right? So if you don't know how an asset behaves, you need to go and test in it. And how do you test in it? Well, it's called a rewind tool. It's called trading bots. It's called AI. AI is very helpful now. I mean, you can put it in, and it'll do it for you. A lot of it. The thing is, you can do so much bots and testing and AI and all that stuff, but you got to be able to visually see your strategy work. And when you can see that, when you can see it working and you understand, okay, this is 60 to 80% hit rate, it's profitable as long as I manage risk this way. Okay. Then you can have confidence to enter the trade. You can also have confidence to take the loss. Tool wants to short XRP at 109. I mean, I wouldn't touch XRP with Tony Sopranos and Piper pushing, but you're short or you're looking at short there because we got bearish divergence mitigation of the low rollover here. So you're looking to come into here. You're at key support right now. I don't know where this is marked out on my chart, so I would assume it's key support. Downtrending momentum. You're looking to come into this area right here. If we roll over here, come down to 106.6. Okay. Depends on if it holds here. If it holds here, you're good. I don't normally look at altcoins. I can't believe you convinced me to do this. It's because Bitcoin's flat right now. Uptrending momentum, retest of previous lows, continuation down, downtrending support here. Yeah, so no longs until you break this high. Look, regression trend tool, guys. Very useful. All right. You're in a channel. So looking to defend this low here. If you do not hold this low, you're coming back to retest this area in here. Volume, volume, volume. Pull the volume here. Here's your volume shelf. That's where you're looking to go, right there. Pray and spray. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is order block retest, right? So you got order block retest right in here. Retest, continuation down. Big rejection, retest to previous lows. Trying to hold on to support here. So if you lose this, you go down to here. If you hold this, you potentially rotate up to the highs here. If this, then that. Okay? Screenshot the chart if you want the levels. 3, 2, 1. Go. Merry Christmas. Oh, man, I remember the days when I used to do top-down analysis on 40 altcoins in one stream. Man, those were the days. Those were the days. All right, holding on here. What color tie will Walrus wear? He's going to wear... He's going to wear a blue tie. Blue tie. Don't they always wear blue ties? Dark blue. Navy blue. It's a good short tool. Hopefully you lose that support level. A bow tie? No. AVAX going to 0. I think we got to create something better, Django, than a nipple pinch for Warsh. Maybe we do like an ear thing. Like we'll do the ear and nipple at the same time. Maybe he's into that. I'm not sure. I ain't gonna gonna stream it, so I'm gonna be on a plane, so he can do whatever he wants. Retest the previous lows here on NASDAQ. Bitcoin rolling over, coming for the slap right now. Lots of liquidity to come and grab in here, though. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not that interested in VWAP right now. That's me, not interested in VWAP. I'm interested in reclaiming VWAP if we're going to be bullish. But this is just, whenever I see this in price action, I'm very cautious. That's target. Right? There's a big ass target on its head right there. Boom. Boom. Here, I'll make it easy for you. Okay. And golden pocket rejection, bearish divergence, guys. So this typically would at least come down to here. Probably down to here. Okay. Hence why we all longed down here yesterday on the live stream, here yesterday in the Discord, and here yesterday in the Discord. Cha-ching. Now we see how we want to react. Right now this is rotating down. Patience here. Thank you everybody for being on the live. Thank you for all these people on we got 50 people, 40 people on X. Hi X people, how we all doing? 330 people on YouTube. 112 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button. We do a giveaway today. If you aren't signed up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments, please sign up with the Bitunix link. It helps support the channel. We do $5,000 worth of giveaways every single week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I will still be announcing the giveaways on Twitter for you guys on Thursday and Friday. We do $1,500 today, $15 tomorrow, and $2,000 on Friday. $2,000 was given away as well in the Discord. So if you're in the Discord, congratulations on your extra $200. Hopefully that helps you guys, or if you won multiple times. But thank you guys for supporting the channel. You get VIP 3, deposit bonuses, all the good stuff. The best deal on Bitunix is here for you. If you do want to trade alongside us, I do appreciate the support. Thank you for using the link. This is never financial advice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Now that that's out of the way, what else are we doing? Thank you. I'm working on my strategy. Backtesting / stats process is no joke. Yeah, it's true. That's a specific kink, says Django. Oh, man. VWAP slap incoming. You guys have been here too long. Remember, VWAP's a line on the chart, right? I think I was going over this in Chart Prime, where I do teach. Okay, let's talk about it. Whenever you have a line on a chart, because price action looks like shit right now. So you have a line on a chart. Either price action is above and price action is below. You have option 1 and option 2. The behavior on this line is the same for everything. A trend line, an orb line, a VWAP line, a dynamic reactor, a smooth moving average, a EMA, a SMA, a DNA, whatever you're trading, a Bollinger Band. Okay, price action can do, I would say, 4 things. So there's 4 options, right? So you have through and you have to. Through can fail, to can hold, right? So through has 2 options: breakdown, retest, continuation. Failed breakdown, reclaim, continuation. Reclaim is stronger. Okay? You have 2. Bounce. Pretty good. You have a bounce, continuation, and through. Failed bounce. Stronger. Okay, so how price action approaches that line is very important. Okay? And price action is going to be the one that tells you the way it's going to behave. If you don't understand price action and volume, you must do some work. There's time in the charts that's required, okay? So if a price comes in and it fails and it reclaims, this is super bullish, okay? Same with this. If it fails to push out and down we go, okay? You can also hover above and then slap, which is something we love here, right? hover slap, bearish divergence, down you go. We love that here. Okay. So the way price approaches, if it's approaching this thing like straight down, you're probably going to go through it, guys. If we are working our way to it, it's probably going to hold, right? If you understand price action. So you can go on your chart anywhere. Maybe just go and draw some point of controls or something like that, right? Go on here. Go on every range, okay? Get your fixed range volume profile. Draw this one, right? Draw this one. Draw this one. Then just draw horizontals at the point of control. And go and look at how price action behaves around this and turn on volume. All right? I'm giving away too much sauce today. Turn on volume. How does price act? Why did we long here so many times yesterday? Retest to previous highs. Cool. Order block. Cool. Volume support. Cool. We understand we are trying to defend these highs. Guess what? Point of control. Volume support here. Right? How does price behave within here? Right? Look at the hold. Right? Aggressive move through. Holds. Push. Guess what? Great long. Choppy down. Guess what? Slow motion. Guess what? It's going to hold. Right? Slow motion. It's going to hold. Oh, here comes the slap. Sorry, I was getting too, But we go over this a lot in the Discord. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. Thank you for being here. I digress. Tony Soprano, slap it, baby. Let's go. Sweep of the low. Liquidity taken. I didn't take it, guys. Still no trade. Taking the trade, showing the trades. I didn't take it. I should have taken it. Oh, man. If rates remain the same, it's fine. That's still good. Tony, send me your UID. I'll get that fixed for you, bro. You family. Mm-mm-mm. 20 seconds on the candle. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's a trap. I think it's a trap. I'm not taking it. You can put a 1 in the chat if you took the VWAP slap. I don't like it. Can anybody guess why I don't like it? It's obvious why I don't like it. I told you guys already. There's a liquidity down here. This is too, I said this morning, VWAP's too high. Right? If you're going to retest highs and you're going to come and take liquidity and balance the books, what are you going to do here? You got bearish divergence into a medium time frame golden pocket. You're going to take the low and you're going to come back and then you're going to continue down. That would be expectational order flow generally off of a reaction of a golden pocket like this. Just saying. This stops me from taking this. Does that mean it doesn't work? If you take profit like really quickly, and you guys know me, I can micro penis trade the crap out of this market, but it's not for me. Location, right? Where is the location? Where are we at, right? Where is the price action relevant to my liquidity, right? So if I'm taking this price, which is here, and I'm sieving all the information. This is our big sieve, right? Here's all of our tidbits of information and prices here. Where am I looking to go? I'm looking for swing high to swing low, retest continuation down. I'm also looking from swing low to swing high, retest continuation up. Where did price move overnight? Well, this is way too aggressive in my opinion. So, you know, they ripped it on everyone's face. They're probably going to send it back down to that area. Probably. That's why we say probably. And it could bounce here, and that's great. I would still be considering shorts if we come up into here. Hopefully it pushes for you guys. Just, I won't take it. I think that just makes it B versus A, right? And I'm not taking no B setups today. It's FOMC day. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. This is bullish short term? Yeah, sure. DB, good to see you. Good to see you, Miss Team Crypto. God bless you. Randy, thank you for being here. Short-term oil. No toe talk today? Well, if you don't want. I'm gonna go say good morning to my family. You guys do whatever the heck you want, man.
Give it the VWAP, slap, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP, slap, slap it. Hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, slap, slap it. Trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it, slap it, one pick. Give it the VWAP, slap it, pump it. Hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP, slap it. Trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the trace, showing the trace. Here's a little bit I wrote. You might want to trade it note for note. Don't worry, take profit. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit. Don't worry, take a base hit. Now you wait for that VWAP slap to hit. No namby-pamby out here chasing the bid. You hold your line. You hold your line. You hold your line. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Now don't you be a douche, canoe and cry. When you round trip your bag and wonder why. Take your small wins and your even smaller losses. Our gang up in here trading like bosses.
We don't worry. No, we don't worry. Don't worry. Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
We're making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital, my friend.
Don't worry. Take profit.
All right. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We always lose about 30 people after we go for a coffee. What's going on, X? Good to see you. 50 people on there. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for hanging out. VWAP slap seems to be working right now. GG's if you did take it. Like I said, for me, it could work. It could work. It held. It pushed. Great. See if it wants to follow through here. Downtrending, taking the low. VWAP doing its thing this morning. Solana looks terrible. ETH looks so, yeah, pretty ugly too. If this and that, we'll see if Bitcoin wants to hold here. Golden pocket rejection from this morning. Short given in advance. Happy days, guys. It's funny, I'm going away and my son starts not feeling well last night. Tell God your plans, right? Tell God your plans. So that's kind of upsetting. Little man's sick. He's got the runs. Just like Bitcoin. Gutted. I hate when he's sick. He needs to get sick, though. It's good for the immune system, but not when I'm away, man. What's going on, Belv? Good to see you, man. Marine Mike, God bless you. Good to see you, bro. Fern, low trading. Thank you, Alex. Great analysis. Thanks for being here, man. See you next week, Sunday. All right, Donnie. You tell him, get out of here. Ciao for now. Arrivederci. Good morning, Jax. Good to see you, man. Laurent. Nice little bounce off of VWAP here, trying to hold and push. Let's see if it wants to follow through. No trade for me. Still waiting here. Coming into market open. FOMC today. Volatile day, guys. I think it's 30% chance of rate hikes. Watch out, flashbang. 35% chance. Woof. Yikes. Could be ugly, guys. I say they hold. That's my guess. Your guess is as good as mine, though. I say they hold, and I say they increase it in September. That's where I'm putting my hat. I could be wrong. Army Piper, what is your... I'll send them to you after the stream, Army Piper, but what is your idea? I say they hold here. They increase in September. You tell me. Damn, you near lost half of my brain cells there. What does Army Piper think? Hold. Sorry, VWAP traders. I warned you. Can't say I didn't warn you. Right? You're not allowed to say I didn't warn you. What didn't hold his VWAP? Oh. Not saying I told you so at all. But I told you so. Oh, fuck. Asshole. It's all right. That's why it's a pay-to-play business, right? If you don't learn, you pay for it. Which sucks sometimes, but we've all been there. Hopefully you're all doing okay today, though. It's been a good week. I mean, so far, Monday was break even for me. Yesterday I made about 2,000. Just under, I think, 18. Good day for me yesterday. Steady Freddy, man. Steady Freddy. That's kind of where I'm putting my hat. Just trying to be consistent. So wanting to see it come into these highs here, which we are tapping these highs now. And a reaction down in here. It could take some time. We got 10 minutes till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. See where we get to this morning. And we'll see where price goes. Kevin Warsh doesn't want to be too late. Powell. Okay. I think they hold is likely, but I believe that the need is to hike, so they may shock us. Shocker. Sorry. I'm not into that, so whatever that is. That's why I did the Rockstar thing instead of the shocker. Jay Van, good morning. Good to see you, man. Bait and switch. Yeah. Yeah, it's a trap because of where liquidity resides, right? Slower and lower. That's what she said. Too far, probably. They got 600 people. Look how good Hackers looks.
Open, guys. It's Wednesday, and
Look
it's
at how
all time.
handsome
So
this
in the
guy
stream,
is,
you
man.
are gonna
What a
get yourself
beard.
Most likely into a position. You're going to get an entry. You're going to get a stop loss. You're going to get some take profits from
Hackers,
us. And then
baby.
obviously, we're going to
220,000 subscribers, man.
Normal Hackers show. So guys, buckle up. Get ready to trade. This is prime XBT stuff. So make sure you are ready to push some buttons. Let's go.
Ooh, they got sexy intro and everything, man. I used to teach in their Discord. Funny story. Good times. I like to see, like, I don't think of it as competition. Maybe some people do. I'm sure a lot of people do think it's like a dick swinging contest, man. I just want everybody to eat, you know? I think everybody does a good job. I think there's a lot of underrated smaller channels that people don't really support, which is kind of sad. Really fancy channels. I mean, I show you my P&L cards all the time. That's what I expect from people trying to educate on trading. You know? Aggressive move back here. Bullish divergence. Slap down. Continuation down here coming into market open. Bull divs on 3 minute. But New York open. Let's see. Yeah. We wait here. This is a wait spot. The beer brings them in, not the trading. It's good you're retired from hackers. You've created an actual educational community rather than a show for gamblers. Yeah. Just my opinion. Shout out to them. Appreciate their work for sure. Yeah, I mean, I didn't like doing TA. I've never done so much TA on poop coins in my life. When I used to teach there. Love the guys. Hate the poop coins, man. Poop coins will get you wrecked every time. Good volume coming down here. Nice breakdown. Really, really rugging all those VWAP slappers. We were prepared, though, here, so that's good. Prepared trader, right? Aggressive moves through VWAP is typically bearish. Retest to VWAP, continuation down. Buy level is too close, so no trade for shorts, obviously. Right? So typically you would look for this breakdown, retest, continuation. The issue is that we have a buy level right here, so it's not worth the squeeze to take that down, so you don't take the trade. Hackers has worked very hard to isolate themselves from banter. Hackers is not separate from banter, is heavily under the banter first. Yeah. Big budget for marketing, good folks, but their content, in my opinion, has no chance versus the true alpha you give out here. Thank you, Cubanadian. I appreciate that, man. Five minutes to market open here. Waiting is trading and trading is waiting. Down we go. Twos in the chat for shorts. I mean, short giving an advance up top here. That was the play, man. Golden pocket. Oof, you already up 1%. Beautiful. Coming into FOMC. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 4 minutes. Bitcoin breaking down. We were looking for shorts up at the top here. I wanted to see a retest, but we didn't get it. Breaking down VWAP slab. We said not to take the VWAP slab. We're looking a little bit lower. If we come back and reclaim VWAP, we can be looking for potential retracement longs. But looking to come back down right now into this trend line, into this retest to previous highs area here. Thank you for being on the live stream. Overall market cipher in a mixed bag. So 1 hour is overextended, 4 hour trigger wave into Friday. So a mixed bag here trying to push out. However, a lot of warning signs to the downside here after a full retracement from our 3 drives up at the here, dump, retracement, full retracement into our golden pocket, potentially coming back down into here and then continuing upwards. So if this then that, we'll see if we can defend these highs. A nice push up from Asia last night, retest previous highs, longs given here yesterday on the live stream. Congratulations to everybody here who took those longs. Breakout, retest, continuation, breakout, retest, continuation, laddering up here. So a nice laddering up, creating nice liquidity for us to potentially come back and grab it. So be aware of the grab coming into market open. We have FOMC today, so they have set us up. We are in the middle, right? So they have liquidity above us, liquidity below us. Can it come for both sides? Absolutely. Market makers going to do their thing today, okay? So be prepared for that. Today's a good day to take off and let the dust settle. I will be flying today, so I will not be here to guide you. So I expect you guys to behave yourselves, and if you don't, well, around and find out, as they say. We'll see if we can find something today before. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. God bless you guys, and hopefully you're having a beautiful day. We'll see where we get to today. Losing VWAP here is bearish. Looking to rotate down. Can we get some bottoming structure down in here? We shall see. Gang. The only thing required here is a good morning, but you can take that a little bit further and tickle that like button for me. That would be kind of cool, man. I'd appreciate that. And if not, we could just talk some shit and take some trades, man. So thank you for being here and thank you for supporting the channel. And I appreciate you guys hanging out here, man. 380 people here on the live stream, 150 likes. What's up to my fellow X viewers as well? We just started streaming on X as well. We're trying to diversify our portfolio with, Canadian censorship laws. We got to be careful here. 52 viewers on X. So thank you for being here. And we'll see where we get to today. We got a minute till market opens. This should be fun today, guys. Thank you for being here and hanging out. I started a crypto banter debate in here. Didn't intend on doing it. Have fun. Thanks for a positive and patient start, brother. Thanks for being here, bro. Bitmain and ETH mentioned in Bloomberg. Interesting. Gummy bear was the most. I'll scam your face. Yeah. Gummy bear, yeah. Yeah, I saw a bunch of that stuff. Yeah. You guys are all master debating about banter. I mean, I digress. That's it. I taught in their Discord. They were good to me. And that's all I'm going to say. I love them. I love everybody. Get your food. Feast. Eat. I've had a couple of horror stories from people who've come over from there. But that's all I've got to say. All right, here we go, baby. Push. Push. Market is open. Gap down. SPY dumping. Donald doing his thing, man. Gap above us here. Rotation down. Looking for bottoming structure right now. Bitcoin losing strength. Golden pocket rejection coming down here. Looking to come into this liquidity. We'll see if it does hold. Solana. Yikes. Looking ugly. Pump and dump here. Retest the previous lows on NASDAQ. Rotation down. SPY continuing down here. Looking to come into this range area here. See if it does get defended. Bitcoin trying to reclaim VWAP. Can it push? That is the question. We got major resistance here at 64,400. VWAP chopping at the bit right now. We'll see. Can the SPY hold and push up 1 minute here? NASDAQ going to go 1 minute as well. We can see a pump and dump here starting the market open. Bitcoin trying to push, trying to get going here. Reclaim of VWAP is bullish typically. Let's see if it does want to hold and continue or if it's just a little fair value gap reclaim in here. A little bit of patience. Thank you everybody for being on the live. See if we get any opportunities today. It's been a nice volatility, violent open recently. There's been ample opportunity. The short on Monday, the long yesterday. Okay, there's movement. So, you know, drink your coffee, get your diapers, sit in your chairs, and prepare for some fun, man. It's FOMC day. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. The SPY is dumping, guys. Down we go with the SPY. Oof. NASDAQ's dumping as well. Bitcoin trying to hold on here. Looking okay. We'll see if it does want to hold and push back through. VWAP here trying to hold on for dear life. Solana, bullish divergence. SFP of the low. Continuation up. A little bit overextended here. Can it continue? We shall see. Trying to hold and go. Coming back in. Looking to reclaim that critical level at 73.80. Bitcoin pushing out. Coming back for late shorts. Potentially. NASDAQ rotating down. SPY rotating down. Bigger tell, in my opinion, on the NASDAQ and the SPY. Bitcoin trying to hold on here and push. We'll see if it doesn't want to hold. Looking good here. VWAP is holding. Coming up for that liquidity of this high in here and in here. We'll see how it behaves. Coming back into this price action here. Nice push up for Biddy. Push and go. Push and go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Nice rotation up in here. Potential shorts up here at 64,400 if it does want to get slapped down. NASDAQ, V-shaped recovery. SPY trying to push back here. Tesla holding on as well. So not bad. Even with the Trumpian threats, you know. Trying to push into resistance here for Bitcoin. Coming back down the candle. Looking for a retest. Potential continuation up. No trade right now. Still waiting. Taking the trades. Showing the trades. Not in any trades right now. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out here. We'll see where we get to today. Bitcoin trying to push out. Solana breakout, retest of previous highs, potentially. Continuation up here. Into VWAP. Yeah, trying to hold VWAP here for Solana. Not interested. Bitcoin coming into resistance. A little bit of a trap, in my opinion. We'll see if... I do not want this box filled early. If this box gets filled early, we're going down. So just keeping my eyes on that. Bitcoin sweeping the high, trapping longs, potential rotation down, no trade. Do have good bottoming structure here in a spoon feed. Potential push up, bullish divergence, continuation out, trying to get back into these highs in here. Still waiting. Breakout retest continuation for Solana. NASDAQ pushing. SPY is pushing. Yeah, this is no bueno if we come and finish this job here. Keeping our eyes on the prize here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 400 people here on the live stream. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out here. We'll see if we do want to continue to push. Feels like a trap. Feels like a trap. Could be a pump. Could be. When it feels like something and it could be this, you just don't trade it, guys. It looks enticing. Halfway down the candle, continuation pump, right? Breakout retest on Solana. Typically reclaiming VWAP is bullish. Look for continuation into resistance here at 73.80. We'll see if that's where it wants to go. My issue is the golden pocket rejection up at the high here as well. So we would look for a retracement into here. We'll see. Continuation looking good so far. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 in the chat if you're sitting on your hands and waiting. Because I'm full on skiing right now. No trades. Skiing both hands on my ski pole. We all like to think it's a two-hander, don't we? Yeah. Right? We're all here skiing, guys. Let's be honest. Right? Oh, man. Good fun. Coming back down here. SPY looks good. NASDAQ looks decent. Sweep of the lows. Continuation up here. Trying to come for this liquidity in here. Into resistance. Can it continue to push? Bitcoin. Holding here. Stalling out at the highs. Doji. Hanging man engulfing candle to the downside. Possible dump here. Caution. This is not a great candle. This is indecision up at the highs here. Double top. Rotation down. Patience here, guys. Thank you for being here. Ones, skiing. He's got the motion in the ocean, man. Just got done eating breakfast. We won't talk about toes then. What's going on, Chantel? She's long. Let's go. July was good. Long. Full moon. Oh, we got a full moon. What's going on? RS Miller, Trade Intuition. What's going on? God bless you guys. Hopefully you're doing well. Should we get a flush for the end of the month? July is typically bullish, so we'll see. I mean, we'll see. Whoo-wee. Trapping those longs. We'll see here. NASDAQ. Whoo-hoo. Smooth vibrations here on NASDAQ. Looks like a heartbeat monitor. Wow. Leaving a little bit of dust up top here for us to come back and take on the S&P. Okay, breakout retest on VWAP, trying to hold. Breakout retest, trying to hold. Oh, man. SPY. See if it holds. No trade. I was very enticed to long here on Solana. I was enticed to long here. But my body's telling me yeah. Let's see if it goes. Oscillator stopped me from taking long here. Weird enough. This does not tell me to long right now. This says wait. It says wait. I like Biddy looks good here. This looks decent, but man, we're too close to this guy here. This is Trap City. This seems like Trap City. If it feels like a trap and it smells like a trap, probably a great no trade. Sometimes you gotta great no fucking trade, Alex. We didn't take the VWAP. We didn't get rugged. We didn't take the long here. We didn't get rugged. Okay? Please congratulate yourselves for not taking the FOMO emotional dumpster trades, okay? Congratulate yourself for that. GG's in the chat, okay? See? I did not hammer Solana here. I'd be red. Very red right now. Okay. Whew, aggressive moves through VWAP's bearish. Oh, man. Halfway up the candle dump. Halfway up the candle dump. Chop at the wop, man. This is just choppy woppy. No trade here. Jeez. She ugly. Now we push. All right. Now we push. This is disgusting. It's got a dump here, no? It ain't got to do anything, but I think it's got a dump here. No? NASDAQ, trying to hold on. SPY, trying to hold on. No trade. Still waiting here. Solana holding on. Bitcoin holding on. This is terrible price action, guys. Terrible. I like Solana for a short here, but it's got to stay below VWAP. Biddy doesn't care what I think. NASDAQ flat. SPY trying to hold on. Tesla trying to hold on as well. What about these tech stocks? Tech stocks sweep and go. Tech stocks sweep and go. Dump it. Bitcoin's holding on here. It's interesting. Bitcoin trying to push. Bitcoin pushing out, considering a long. Bitcoin's holding here. NASDAQ trying to hold. No. SPY trying to hold. No. Okay, SPY's holding here. Push SPY. Bitcoin pushing out here into key resistance. No trade here. Still waiting, guys. Bitcoin pushing here. Could get follow through. No trade on Solana. Solana trying to hold. Solana closes above VWAP. We could be looking long. Still waiting here, guys. One pump day coming. Solana holding, yeah. Solana holding, Bitcoin holding. NASDAQ looks ugly. NASDAQ looks ugly. Oh, NASDAQ some legs. Tesla coming down. Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks decent here. Like I said, Bitcoin can come into this area here. Break of momentum here, though. Getting above. Potential push here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes. We could potentially long Solana here if it holds VWAP. Stop would go underneath the low. Rotation up into the highs. It would look something like this. It's a cheeky trade. Bitcoin's got to go here. It's going. Considering a long. Considering. NASDAQ got to go here. NASDAQ push. SPY push. 2 for 1. Bitcoin Steve Ruggan coming to Golden Pocket locally. Continuation. VWAP doing its thing here. Push Bitcoin. Yeah, Nambe Pambi. Orb is in. That's a good orb for today. That's going to be interesting coming into market, coming into FOMC today. Failing to push here on SPY and NASDAQ. Bitcoin looks great. Push Biddy and Nambe Pamber. Looking to come for the highs on Bitcoin. No trade. Biddy into golden pocket here. Resistance. Support and resistance flip though. Trying to push here. No follow through. SPY's got to go. NASDAQ's got to go. Solana not going anywhere. Solana no trade. Bitcoin into resistance. Still no trade. Still waiting here, guys. Bitcoin hitting that golden pocket resistance. Can it follow through though? No follow through. Trying to hold on here. Trapping longs. SPY rolling over. NASDAQ rolling over. Bitcoin defends this low here. I might long Solana. Okay, let's go. Let's go long. Push Bitcoin. See if we can follow through here on our soy boy Lana. I don't mind this trade. Breakout retest, continuation, looking for follow through on Solana. Stop loss below the low, halfway down the candle, continuation up. Bitcoin looks good. Looking for NASDAQ to continue to push. Can we get going? Can we get going? Come on, Biddy. Push. And so SFP of the lows. So we're long Solana here. Stop loss below orb. See if we can push up to the highs. Be major take profit here, but below VWAP. I don't typically trade VWAP on Solana. See if you can follow through here. NASDAQ, Bitcoin, trying to go. Can we push? Push Solana, ya nambe pambe. Let's get going. More. Nice push on Biddy. Take that break even. Don't be a dick for a tick, Alex. Oh, man. Come on. Really? Oh, yeah. Vafanculo. Push. Really? Up 500. Soy Bailana. GG's in the chat. Gang, gang, gang. Good trade. GG's, guys. NASDAQ's not on our team, man. SPY isn't either. Bitcoin is. Bitcoin looking good, but could be big liquidity grab here. See if we follow through. If not, whatever. Quick 500. 450, sorry. A little exhaustion on Biddy here. Stopped out, 450. GG's. Not bad. Quick 400. We'll see if this wants to follow through here. Solana underperforming Bitcoin clearly. Bitcoin pushing out today. It's not that I don't like holding this trade. Like, this could still very much go. Resistance up high here. Bitcoin coming for the highs right now. Bitcoin outperforming. Nice push out here. Great VWAP hold. Breakout, retest, continuation up. Great trade, everybody. Solana looks like shite. Bitcoin trying to push. NASDAQ looks horrible here, guys. Happy FOMC day, guys. Thank you for being here, hanging out. I do appreciate you guys' support. NASDAQ rolling over. Heavy. Heavy, heavy. Yikes, man. Bye, Solana. See you later. Chop at the top. Bitcoin enticing buyers all the way up here into our golden pocket 786 resistance level. This will be a number 2, guys, in the Discord. Coming back for retests here on Biddy. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream, hanging out this morning. Biddy, nice push. Solana not really doing its thing, man. NASDAQ just bleeding out. SPY bleeding out heavy. It's not looking good here, leaving that gap above, though. So there's hopium for FOMC, really. Breakout. Retest. Holding. Don't want to fade the NASDAQ here. Bitcoin trying to hold key support. Bitcoin can hold here. We push and NASDAQ pushes back. V-shaped recovery. We can long again. SPY really trying to hold on here. What's ETH saying? ETH's trying to hold too. 3 drives up at the lows. Let's give it a whirl. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Interesting. Not holding though. NASDAQ trying to V-shaped recover here. ETH trying to hold. Bitcoin trying to hold. NASDAQ not holding. NASDAQ not holding. Solana looking to come for the lows at minimum here. Trying to push back. Bitcoin can hold here, though. That's good. It's really good if Bitcoin holds here. Nice pushback. Continuation out. Long. Long and hold. ETH's got to go here, too. No. No follow through. No follow through. Lower. This says lower. Down with Bitcoin. Retest their previous highs. Looking for a sweep on Solana. ETH rolling over quite heavy here. Bitcoin coming down right now. No trade. Still waiting. Coffee long time. No coffee long right now. Twos. Nice. Hands. Good. Hands is always good here. Big dump. Here we go. SFP on Solana. Potential pushback here if Bitcoin can hold. Otherwise lower. SFP. Got to close back within the range. Lower. Lower. All says lower. Bitcoin's got to hold here. Pushback. ETH. Pushback. No. Lower. NASDAQ says lower. Everything says lower right now, guys. Bitcoin not holding here. Yikes. Dump it. Sweep and go. Got to close back within the range here for Solana. Nice push. Back in the range. Biddy trying to push back. Breakout retest. Continuation up. Take Solana maybe. Come on, Solana. Push a little. Let's go. Bitcoin pushing. Let's see if Solana does it. Got to do it, Solana. Break even. Oh, Biddy. Oh, Biddy. Breakout retest on Biddy. Oh, Biddy. You so pretty. Are we going to do it? We're doing it twice. And back-to-back Solana bottom ticks, baby. Let's go. Back-to-back days Solana bottom ticks. Can I get a GG's in the chat, baby? Let's go. Fuck yeah. My God. Up 13. Wait, before this one, I'll do this one.
All right, gang, feast your eyes on this. Dig in.
Oh, man.
Oh, the gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Lord of the King Peter in the building. We identify as pretty rich. I said we identify as pretty rich. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push
Otter's in the chat, baby. Let's go.
Off the floor, Ray Orbison, kicking down the door. Click buttons, make money. Click buttons, make money. Make money. Don't top blast, don't top blast. Take the money and run, pay yourself fast.
Dusty, should I move the box, bro?
Don't top blast. Take the money and run, pay yourself fast. Pump it, push it up. Push it up. Don't be a nappy poppy. Pump it up. Coffee pump, coffee long. Push it up. Better sit low when the chips low. Park it fat, watch a Wally grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital. Stay true to the digital. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Right, pump it. Pump it. Pump it.
French Toaster with the 10 gifted memberships. GG's, bro. Gang, gang, gang. Let's put some roller skates in the chat for French Toaster. Love you, bro. God bless you. We got J Robs, Lurker, Detroit, Lurker, Para, Lurker, Point2, Lurker, Adam, Lurker, Michael Saylor, Lurker, Mike and Katie, Lurkers. Everybody else, God bless you. Thank you for being here. Bunch of lurkers in the chat, man. Just say good morning. Don't be a weirdo. God bless you, Frenchie. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. Looking for a follow through here. We have taken a boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo, $1,300 plus a $400 equals a boo-boo. Double dipping, my friends. We are up $1,700 today, boo-boo. And then we've paid for our flights. Now we want to pay for the giveaway. Speaking about giveaways, let's do it. Long on Solana. We'll see if we run. What do you guys think? Let it run? Close it? You guys let me know in the chat. Up a nice 1281 right now on that long. See if it wants to follow through or if we're going to get rugged. Probably rugged knowing this market, but hey, you take your money and run. That's how we roll. Let's see the giveaway here. We do $5,000 giveaway every single week. Just sign up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments. And yeah, man. Awesome sauce, man. Just happy to see you guys here, and hopefully you're all having a beautiful week. It's FOMC day today, so don't, I probably will not take any more trades today, guys. Just to be straight up, I got to finish packing, and that VWAP held like a good old VWAP rally. I wanted lower. It didn't give it to us, but we did manage to jump on the trend and take that thing up on Solana. Solana presented a better opportunity, in my opinion. Therefore, we took Solana. Let's do the giveaway now. Thank you guys for being part of the family. I do appreciate you guys, and we do battles so that you guys can get the best deals on the exchanges. So, Otter Gang, baby. Thank you for being here. Congratulations on your gangs, and good work, guys. Way! Good job, man. Congratulations. $500. GG's, baby.
canoes. Play it smart. Wait for the VWAP slap to print the load. Take the money and run.
Congratulations to Son of the King, Discord member. God bless you, bro. Son of the King, man. GG's, man.
It's another game. Lord leads the way. Take the pink box every day. Sweep the lows, get the friction on. Take the money and run till it is gone. Small win, small
ALE, congratulations. GG's, guys.
we identify as pre-rich.
Let's go. Gang, gang, gang. Woo! Haha. Good fun. All right.
It's another game.
Space hits, baby. All right. Well, trying to push here. We'll see if it wants to keep going. Not married to this trade. Might get a, what do you guys think? Ones in the chat if I should close the trade. Twos in the chat if I should let it run. Looking a little weak in here. Might take my 1600 and go fly, man. Ones and twos, ones and twos, ones and twos. Good fun, man. Good fun. Indecision. Well, we'll make a choice. Maybe I'll trail it with the stop loss. How about that? We'll just trail the lows as we go. Incredible live stream, guys. I will not be with you the next couple of days. I will be updating the Discord as we go. Great trades, great community. God bless you guys. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here and being part of my trading journey. And hopefully I can help impact your trading journey. I do appreciate you guys. God bless you. Family first. Remember that. Take care of yourself and the wealth will come. I appreciate you guys for being here and supporting the channel. And I will see you guys on Monday. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.